Hi, my name is Kathy, and I had clear lens exchange surgery with Dr. Zarnagar at Shepard Eye Center, and I had wonderful results that were life-changing in my vision. Clear lens exchange is a procedure where the natural lens is replaced with an artificial lens to improve vision and reduce the need for glasses. Before clear lens exchange, I could not see without my glasses. I had to always have a pair of glasses with me wherever I went. I couldn't see a computer, I couldn't see TV, horrible at night, and my eyes got really tired at the end of the day. I didn't drive at night, I would always have somebody else drive me. Now I have the full confidence and be able to go anywhere I want to driving. The staff is amazing, and I have to say, the hospital staff, when you go into surgery, I was nervous, and they were excellent, so caring, put me at ease, made me laugh, took all my cares away. If you're nervous about the surgery, have faith in your staff that they're going to take really good care of you, and you're going to be so excited afterwards. It's the quickest, easiest surgery in the world. You don't even think about it. The reason I picked clear lens exchange is I didn't want a temporary fix. I wanted something that was long-term, and I love that it was a permanent solution for me. The benefits to clear lens exchange is I can wake up first thing in the morning and I don't have to look for my glasses. I feel like I got my freedom back. What I love to do is go camping. You see colors so much better, and the clarity on leaves and grass. It's amazing the difference. It's so much prettier. We do like to travel. Can't wait to go to another location to see what my eyesight will bring me. It's such a freeing feeling. I didn't realize how much glasses were holding me back. I feel much more confident. I feel younger. I wish I had done it sooner. It's the best decision I've ever made. If you're having vision issues, see your eye care professional. They'll give you options that will best fit for you. I highly recommend the clear lens exchange. It changed my life.